MSI has a reputation as a maker of gaming product, but with the release of the MSI PS42, it has proven that the company could also cater on the business users. The MSI Prestige PS42 is a super light 14-inch business notebook that's designed to make a productive champion. Now let's take a look over its build. Clad in silver aluminum, this 0.62-inch thick laptop looks a lot heavier than it feels. In a brief hands-on, I went to pick up the laptop and was surprised at how easy it was to lift with one hand. It weighs just 1.19 kg. It's far less aggressively styled than a black plastic and red lights of MSI laptops of the past, opting instead a sleek aluminum chassis that works out in the real world. The prestigious keyboard is the real star of this show. The keys feel extremely snappy and responsive. The backlight turns out pretty bright in dark to type with ease. MSI is bringing their high-end, really nice heavy travel keyboard in this laptop. You can also adjust the backlight brightness. It sports a 1920 by 1080 IPS Full HD display that promises to reproduce 100% of the sRGB color gamut. The extremely slim 0.22-inch bezel fully helps to accurate the screen-to-body ratio by 80%. To me, everyone's making a compromise to have this ultra-thin bezel, but then they put a huge chin on the bottom. I'd rather have a larger bezel on the top with a better placed camera. Overall, the display is pretty bright and crisp. Here's my initial impression on the camera placement on this laptop. As you right now can see that when you start the webcam, it directly focus on your chest or the down part of your body. So you need to adjust your display to get it focus on your face. So that's just the downside. On the left, we've got a PSU, a full HDMI port, USB Type-C and a standard headphone jack. There's also a trial status light. One of these is a flashing hard drive light, something you don't see on a lot of lightweight notebooks these days. On the right side, we've got an SD card slot, a USB Type-C and two USB Type-A ports. Unfortunately, MSI says that you will not be able to charge the laptop over its USB Type-C ports. The MSI PS42 comes in two variants. One you're looking right now is powered by Intel's U-Series i7 8th generation Kaby Lake processor with discrete GPU from NVIDIA GeForce 2GB DDR5 MX150, a DDR4 8GB RAM, a 512GB NVMe PCIe SSD. The company's Special Cooler Boost 3 thermal technology helps you keep the components from getting too warm. MSI claims that its laptop will last up to 10 hours on a single charge. Also, there are two 2-watt speakers that produce stereophonic audio, and here's a bit of audio test. The built-in fingerprint sensor is designed for high privacy protection and business security. Logging in is as simple as a touch of your fingertip. The trackpad on this laptop is quite satisfying, and I also noticed that it's kind of offside a little bit to left, which is a little bit of gaming thing. The MSI exclusive True Color technology provides different modes to best fit your various usages, and at the same time it gets easily fit into your regular backpack just like a notebook should, and it's pretty light to carry around. The two variants of the MSI PS42 have been priced at Rs 77,990 and Rs 99,990 for the i5 and i7 processors respectively. It certainly has a look and feel to justify the expense, but we'll have to see how the Prestige PS42 performs when it comes out this month. We'd like to thank MSI for giving this opportunity to us to review their new Prestige lineup in India. If you enjoyed the review video, leave us a like and let us know in the comments below what you think of the MSI new notebook laptop. Also, do not forget to subscribe. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter @RightnessTech. Until the next video, take care.